What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Gems channel. My name's George, and today I get the honor of bringing you a super cool project. Now, before we get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do this so we can find some really cool projects like we've just found today and get them on your radar as fast as possible. Have a real good time. Please make it to the end of the video. Let's dive straight in. Rich Cats Nation is what we're talking about today. It's richcatsnation.com, as you can see at the top, but all the links will be down below. Please only use trusted links. Now let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to buy it, and I'm going to talk a little bit about. So it is a limited collection of 1,000 NFT tokens. These rich cats are going to live forever on the Binance blockchain, as it says, and they are ready to be adopted right now. That's their tag. Rich Cat represents you as a membership. So this is a membership NFT. It's not just the artwork here that you can see. We're not just buying this PFP for a profile photo. It's granting you your membership, and you get so many benefits with that. Moving on to the roadmap now. Starting from the bottom where your little cat paws are, and we're moving along the roads. 10%. Once we've completed 10%, you're going to pay the overdue rent. 30%. Forgot to close the fridge door. 10 Fat Cats airdrops. So there's going to be 10 Fat Cat airdrops given to holders. 50%, we're halfway there. Donations to voter charities. So everyone, I'm going to talk about the membership perks you get. You're actually going to get a chance to vote in big valued operations. For example, choosing charities. So when it's doing the donations to charities, you can put your vote in. The cats have escaped at 70%. 10 beaten up cats airdrops. There's going to be another airdrop for another project called the Beaten Up Cats. Very, very cool. And then 90% members only website will go live. You can see here, this is a big part. And once we get to the 100%, the release of 10 caged cat auction for charity. Again, you'll get a choice in there. The post mint perks. You're going to get members exclusive merch, 20 prints to random cat doctors, potion NFT airdrops evolving, which means your cats will evolve with these potions, and the royalties to owners for commercial use. Future events voted obviously by the community. So now what I'm going to show you is how to buy a cat. So you're going to scroll down just a tiny bit and it'll say here, buy a cat on pentas.io. Now the links will be down below, of course. This is another marketplace. You will connect your MetaMask wallet up at the top. Please always remember to disconnect when you leave a site. Don't just close it down. And here is where you're going to buy the cat on the market. All right. So you can see here, reserve this one, number 635. I would click it and it will take me to the description of what this cat is. A stake enthusiast, rich cat vibing through the Binance blockchain. Now it's not going to let me buy it because my wallet isn't connected. I'm not going to connect it live on here, but that is how you do it. Connect it and it will allow you to reserve these cats, buy these cats. Okay, so get on here, have a good look, get deep in, find one that you like. Now showing their gallery. Okay, up at the top again, you can click gallery. It's just loading for me right now, but look at some of the ones we've got here. I'm going to zoom in on a few. We've got this sort of business style looking cat. We've got a worker cat. What they've done is they've took all different kinds of celebrities' lives. I do not know where the inspiration for this one personally came, but it looks a bit like Elton John, an Elton John style. We've got a bit of a flamingo here. Go and have a look. Okay, we've got cats from all different sort of natures, all different backgrounds, different countries. We also have this incredibly cool rich cat. We have a lighted up rich cat. We have some sort of Prince one here. Really, really cool. Have a look in there, and there's more in their Telegram and things like that. We are going to jump to the Twitter by the end of this video, so you'll see a bit more. Now to have a look at the members perks here, we've got the exclusive giveaways, the token, which is $RCN. That is their native token. We have the Rich Cats derivative, Kitty's airdrops, treasure hunt, member only access to a chat room, so you get your own private chat, which is very exclusive. We have the merchandise, we have the voting rights in the community, what happens with the community wallet, exclusive events, royalties for commercial use as always, and you get the metaverse avatar, which is your cat, the play to earn game, and more future projects to be voted by the community. There's your membership perks. Super interesting. Over to the Twitter now. Overview of this, we have 9,092 followers. We have the website on here. All the links will be down below. An important one right here is the Discord. Get in there, get involved. They've been around since August 2021, which is great. You can see we've got some cute photos of some cats. We've got some fan art going down, and we also have a bit of the gallery, like I said. This one's super cool. Looks like some sort of Prince outfit. The singer Prince, which I'm referencing to, with a motorcycle helmet. Let me know what you think the inspiration behind that one is in the comments. And you can see some new partners for their artwork. So get into the Twitter, follow them. Please engage. Let them know you're from our channel. George sent you there. And let me know what you think and what your favorite art piece is. Now, what I want to touch on at the end of this video is a megaverse game. Okay, it's megaverse.game. The basics of this, I'm going to do it really quick, so do your own research. There's a Discord button that you can click here, get involved, and you can learn a lot by going across the top of the roadmap, team partners, and the MegaFi. The basic concept of this, okay, it is a Polygon blockchain based metaverse experience. It's built to introduce social media users to the world's most active global communities. Okay, obviously it's a decentralized metaverse called the megaverse, right? Super, super cool. Now the mission is to accelerate the transition of social media and bring the future forward. They will do this by converting, listen to this, they will do this by converting at least 1 million of these 4.5 billion social media users into the daily metaverse. So their concept is trying to bring all social media users, I know that I use every social media you've got out there, we do when we're researching, bring them all into one big megaverse and using this platform to do it. Super vibrant, super cool. I love the concept, I love the artwork, I love the project behind them. Do your own research, get into there. Megaverse.game, that is a hidden trailer from me to you at the end of this video that you didn't think you were getting. Remember, I told you at the start, make sure you get to the end of the video. This is why. Jumping over to the Twitter now, we've got the Discord link. Get in there for megaverse.game. Links will be down below. We have 35,000 followers. Now, one thing I didn't touch on the website is it's super cool looking at all the sneak peeks, but they do have oversubscribed sale, okay? The initial offering of the Mega token was also successfully carried out in February, and 2.5% of the total supply being sold at $0.01 informed that the pre-sale allocation was oversubscribed. Okay, I want to let you know that, which is great for us because it does mean that this token is going to be so popular. Getting involved this early is a great notification for how well this is going to get. Okay, already got oversubscribed, which means the hype behind this is real. Everybody's looking at this right now. Okay, it's really cool. They are establishing a Polygon headquarters on a Matic Island in the metaverse, in the megaverse, shall I say. And that's super cool, as I've already touched on why Polygon is super important to us carrying out the vision they want to carry out. Guys, that's what I've got for you today. Thank you for getting to the end of the video. I told you I'd throw you a little Easter egg. Unreal, okay? I love this, and what I really like about the end part of this video is the megaverse. I'm gonna really try and emphasize the fact it's on the Polygon network, okay? They, in February, announced the investment with Polygon, and that to me, as you know, you've probably seen on other videos, is incredible because transaction fees kill everything to do with the love and joy of crypto for me. I'm not a financial advisor, but being on the Polygon means it's super close to zero transaction fees. That is fantastic, okay? There's so much marketing and stuff going on with them. Again, with Rich Cats, it's a really cool project, especially if you see how far these cat projects have gone in the past. I see this going even further, and the utility behind this one is incredible. I really do appreciate everyone on this channel. I like every single comment that I see. Please give honest feedback, hit that like button, hit the bell, and hit the subscribe button as hard as you can. Okay, make my day, and let's hit that. Let's smash this video to an insane amount of likes and views and spread it across the world. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.